Hey guys, welcome back to Desi Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with KickX Exchange Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and click on KickX Airdrop. Well, KickX Airdrop is 60,000 KICK Kick tokens to the community members. To participate, sign up and complete your KYC process. You can also invite your friends and get up to 30,000 kick for each valid referral. Alright, guys, I have done the round number 1 airdrop and I have got the tokens also. It's a very good worthy airdrop, guys, so don't miss it. Well, let's go little about the KickX project, how it works and what it is. Well, as all you know, the KickX is an advanced trading cryptocurrency exchange with the lowest trading fees and the most profitable referral program. It was created deliberately from the ground up to scale. So KickX utilizes the internet backbone high bandwidth channels, industrial servers and routers. Alright. So KickICO is an ecosystem-based platform that provides everyone with an opportunity to buy tokens of new groundbreaking projects in their early stages. Bitcoin gives us a solid example of blockchain investment. So alright, this has been listed in the CoinMarketCap, guys. So quickly complete the registration process. Let's start with step number 1. Step number 1 is register at KickX and verify your email address to receive 10,000 plus kick tokens. So click here to go to the KickX exchange and register your self here. Now click on register now button. Alright, okay. I think I have already registered earlier. So what we do, yeah, I will show you in the incognito mode how to register. Here, copy the link address and I'm taking you to the incognito mode to show you how it works. Alright, fine. So as usual, click on the register now button here. Right, guys, as I always say, please register with your email address only. So my email address is desiairdrops@gmail.com and give your first name as well as your last name, and then click your select country, the country where you stay. So click this button to take you to the country where you live in. I am from India and I travel a lot, almost all the countries. So let me search where my country is. It's here. Alright, now give a password. You can see here my password is already there, but for you I'm showing it here. Alright, now give the same password here. Click on buy signing up button and click proceed button here. So guys, I'm not going to click the proceed button because I have already signed up with the same email address. So don't give the multiple email address sign up because it will be a duplicate, and once you create, you cannot create another account with the same email address. Alright, this is the only steps, guys, for the registration. Just give your email address. Don't go with the Facebook, go with the email address always, and your first name and the last name, as well as the country you live, and a password. Confirm the same password. Now click on buy signing up button and click proceed. Since I have already done this, I'm just going to close it here. Okay, the moment you registered in the account of KickX, you'll be getting an email for the verification. So please go back to your email address, email box, and verify. Step number 2, log into your account, and step number 3, complete the KYC verification here. So guys, let me go to the the exchange to find where is the KYC verification has to be done. Alright, So the KYC has to be done here. Where is my account? Yeah. So yeah, once you go to your account setting here, you can see the security as well as verification. If you want, you can change the password. Click on the verification button to do the KYC verification here. Alright, it is not showing as of now. Probably, yeah, the two-factor verification you have to do first. Probably it will enable you to the other verifications. Alright, so step number 3, complete the KYC verification to receive 50,000 kick tokens. Step number 4, you can also invite your friends and get up to 3 lakh kick for each valid referral. Well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for KickX exchange airdrop. If you like the KickX airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Guys, I just want to say one thing: never ever miss an exchange airdrops, because they always have a value. Probably the projects may dump, maybe sometimes the ICOs, maybe the IEOs may dump, but the exchanges maximum part will never dump you. So I mean, it's nothing wrong in having a proper exchange tokens in your wallet or in your accounts, right? Well, that's all guys. So follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.